Hey, thanks for joining the Mom Does Club today. We're going to be kicking off the very first episode of the very first season. Hey there, fellow work-at-home moms. Welcome to our new series all about maternity leave prep. I'm Laurel, and I'm so excited to dive into this topic with you today. Now, as work-at-home moms, we wear many hats. We're entrepreneurs, freelancers, or remote employees, but above all, we're mothers, and preparing for maternity leave while juggling our professional responsibilities can seem daunting. But trust me, with a little planning and organization, we've got this. So let's start with the basics. What does maternity leave prep entail for us? Well, it's about more than just setting up an out-of-office email reply. It's about ensuring a smooth transition for our businesses or projects while we take time off to welcome our newest family member. Planning ahead is key. We need to anticipate the changes that come with motherhood and adjust our work routines accordingly. It's all about finding that balance between nurturing our careers and nurturing our growing families. Now, I know it can be overwhelming, especially if this is your first time navigating maternity leave as a work-at-home mom. But fear not. Throughout this series, I'll be sharing tips, strategies, and personal experiences to help make the transition as smooth as possible. We're going to talk about everything from setting boundaries with clients or employers to organizing your workspace for maximum efficiency. Plus, I'm going to share some insights into managing your workload leading up to your due date so that you can fully enjoy those precious early moments with your little one. So if you're a work-at-home mom preparing for maternity leave or thinking about starting a family while maintaining your professional pursuits, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this journey together, supporting each other every step of the way. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Remember, we've got this. Bye.